Let's learn how to write the letter A. Slant down. Slant down. Across. B. Pull down. Go to the top, around and in. Back to the middle and around again. The letter C. Pull back and around. D. Pull down. Go back to the top and around. Letter E. Pull down. Across at the top. Across in the middle. And across at the bottom. Letter F. Pull down. Across at the top. Across at the middle. The next letter, G. Around, up. Pull back and across in. Letter H. Pull down. Across. Pull down. Letter I. Pull down. The letter J. Pull down. Curve around. Letter K. Pull down. Slant up. Slant down. L. Pull down. Across. Letter M. Pull down. Slant down. Slant up. Pull down. The letter N. Pull down. Slant down. Pull up. Letter O. Pull back, around, and close. Letter P. Pull down. Go to the top and around in. Letter Q. Pull back and around. And slant down. R. Pull down. Back to the top, around in, down. The letter T. Across on the top. Pull down. The letter U. Pull down, around, and up. The letter V. Slant down. Slant up. W. Slant down. Slant up. Slant down. Slant up. X. Slant down, out. Slant down, in. Letter Y. Slant down. Slant down. And pull down. This letter. The letter Z. Across. Slant down. Across. Please click subscribe for more.